Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and welcome back to another new video. And in this video we're going to take a look at the specifications and features of the new processor Helio P70. Yes guys, in this video we're going to talk about this processor. As you guys know that after the successor of Helio P60, here we have the P70 processor, and I also will tell you that which smartphone will be the first to have this Helio P70 processor. So first of all, let's talk about the CPU cores of this processor. This processor will have 8 octa cores and each of them will run on 2.1 gigahertz frequency of it is maximum frequency that these octa cores will have, and the bitrate of these CPU cores will be 64 bits. And this processor, I mean Helio P70, will have 13% more performance than its previous processor P60. This processor will allow you up to 15% lower power than the other 14nm class products. So Mediatek Helio P70 12nm processor is really a great achievement, and it came up with huge amount of upgraded features. And if we talk about the gaming, P70 is the successor of P60, so it will have 7% better DOU and up to 35% lower power versus the P60. And after that, here we have the cameras that this Helio P70 will support. Here is the 32 megapixel front facing camera and 24 megapixel plus 16 megapixel rear cameras that are really great achievement of this Helio P70 12nm processor. And the maximum video resolution that this processor will be able to record is 3840 by 2160. I think that this resolution will record 4K video, and the good thing about this processor is that it will also support AI features. I mean that like other smartphones, you will also be able to see AI features in camera. This will have a facial detection, scene detection, hardware wrapping engine, and all other stuff. Here you can see everything is mentioned on the screen. Moving into the graphics, so this processor will support GPU Mali G72, and that will run on maximum frequency of 900 megahertz, and the maximum display resolution will be 2160 by 1080. It means the full HD plus resolution you will have. And then memory, so this processor will have 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and 4 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. It means that it will be available in two variants. One will be the 8 gigabytes and the second one will come with 4 gigabytes of RAM. And then the AI, artificial intelligence, as I already told you that this processor will support AI features. So here AI accelerator will also be available with performance of 28G Mac per seconds. And if we talk about the connectivity of this Helio P70 12nm processor, so it will have Bluetooth, FM radio, GNSS, Wi-Fi, and here is no option of NFC, so obviously it will not have NFC. And the Bluetooth version is 4.2 in this processor, and this processor will also support dual SIM 4G. Yes, you will have 4G support on the smartphone that will have this processor. And let me tell you that the first smartphone that will have this P70 processor, this beast processor, that will be the Realme phone. Any of the Realme phone that Realme will announce and launch, and any new phone that Realme will launch will have the Helio P70 processor, and it will support 4G with the speed of up to 300 MB per second. And here we also have the leaked AnTuTu scores of this Mediatek Helio P70 that are 156,906, and here are also all the scores of CPU, GPU, UX and memory. That was my video on Mediatek Helio P70 processor. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.